Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with another layout. This is a crop that I went to, I think it was about a year ago, and I done like 8 layouts. It was just like a day crop and I got there late and went home early and I got 8 layouts done and I never shared these layouts with you guys. So I thought that I would do that now to kind of come back after being away for close to a year. I think it would be a year, it's been like 8 months since I've pretty much stopped posting. And I thought, I got those layouts here. Let's just get it done. Now, this page here, these papers are from Stampin' Up, and they would get these or give these kits. I think this was one that maybe if you bought $75, you ended up with like a paper kit or scrapbooking kit for free. And where I was a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, we're talking like 20 years ago, I still have a lot of that stuff hanging around. And I thought, you know what? I gotta put these together and make some layouts. So I took that first pattern paper, I think it's about 6 by 12, and I had a bunch of scraps in that kit. I probably used it before, and now I'm just playing with the mats and trying to figure out, like, what can I do with these scraps. A lot of times when I play with a page kit that has a lot of scraps and stuff, I let the scraps kind of decide how the layout's going to go. And I really like that. I just find that, instead of saying, oh, I'm going to do a 4 by 6 or a 5 by 7, whatever size the scrap is, if you make the base of your layout with that, it kind of comes together, one, pretty easily, and two, you end up using scraps that otherwise you probably were going to throw out. Now, before we get too much more into this, I just want to let you know that I started a new channel and it's all focused on coloring, and the link is in the description box below, but it's just Nicole Jones 911 Colors. And up to now, I think I have like 8 video, and I have 4 or 5 more that I've already sort of planned, and I'm going to film like on my days off, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I'm going to be pretty active on that channel, and I would really appreciate if you would go check it out. Because in my sort of sabbatical for the past 8, 9 months, I found the love of coloring, and that is very much so what kept me calm, if you will. There was a lot of times, I have to tell you, I was not calm. I don't think I shed so many tears in my entire life than what I did in the last 8 months. And but coloring is what made it so that I held it together, if you will. And this past week has just been hard too, because now Lexi is sick. She started like almost 3 weeks ago. Like it was like the very beginning of the year. So yeah, we're the 20th today. So I had a fever for a few days. It went away. So we're like, oh, we got lucky, like nothing else. And then all of a sudden, the fever came back, and then like a week and a half later, and then her nose was running, and then she started coughing. So then they brought her in. She ended up on 2 puffers, on salbutamol and on a steroid, and it just felt like she was getting better. It didn't sound in her lungs anymore because the puffers are doing their job. And then I was like, oh, like she's not a very good sleeper anyway, but it was even worse, and just, crying uncontrollably. And so took her in. Her mom took her in again yesterday, and she has a double ear infection. It's like, so just having um, the antibiotics last night and this morning already today. Like she barely ate for 4 or 5 days. Like she was just so miserable, and she loves shepherd's pie. So today I'm like, you know what? She's not been eating great and she loves this. So I'm going to make that. And I made an 8x8 pan, and the kid almost ate it all. Like she had a big bowl, and then like an hour and a half later she goes up to her high chair and looks up. She goes, "My hungry." So I said, "Do you want some more?" "Yes." So I heated up another plate and she ate all of that. So she was some hungry. And then a couple hours later, she ate another plate full. So the kid was hungry, but she just wasn't. Like during the day, I would make, 10 different things, and she would have like a bite of each thing, like just no appetite. The poor little girl. And so it's good to see her eating again. And then today, she drank a lot of water, and that was another thing. Like I was like every 15 minutes going up to her and saying, "Do you want water?" And she'd say no, and I'd say, "Please, can you have a sip for Mammy?" And she would take a sip just to make sure that she stayed hydrated. So that's what has been happening with me for the last 2 weeks, because I have her 3 days a week, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and she's been sick for the last 2 weeks. So I've been, you know, washing my hands every 5 minutes and sanitizing, and um, to try to make sure that I don't get it, because then, watch, she'll get better and then I'll get it, and then she'll get sick again. So up to now, I've been okay. I also take some cold effects, and then I ferment garlic with raw honey, and that is very healthy for you to eat. It has all kinds of antimicrobial stuff and just boost your immune system. And I've just been eating those, like 4 or 5 pieces of garlic every day. And because it's with raw honey, you know how garlic can be really hot? Well, when you ferment it, then the garlic is kind of sweet and it tastes really good. But to come back to this layout, I really like that color combo of that blue gray with the green and a little, splash of orange. I really like that. It's actually really nice colors. I'm thinking like even for a coloring page, it would really be really nice. And so with this kit came a couple of sticker sheets, and I used a few strips at the top and the bottom of the layout. I used a few photo corners, and then there was little dots, and I put 3 at the top of the layout and then 3 at the bottom. And now I also had some ribbon in this kit, and I'm just going to add it almost like instead of a piece of paper. And then I don't use my stapler enough, so whenever I can use my stapler and just staple something into place, I really like that. And the ribbon was still kind of wiggling quite a bit, so I am going to use some ATG and kind of settle that down. And then, instead of trying to do it while it's down, this time around, I'm just going to put the tape first, glue it down, and then I'll add some staples. And just to let you know, probably Friday or Saturday, I'll have another organize with me, because when I cleaned up that room last week, and for some reason in my mind, I didn't have that many page kits. But when I started putting them away, it kind of took over the couple of spots where I keep my page kits. So I think I'm going to take about half of them and take them apart. And I'm going to kind of set them up so that I'm ready to make some page kits again. So I'll be tackling that on Thursday during the day. And this layout took me about 21 minutes, so a really fast layout. I find that when you have, one of those kits, it kind of helps, and then when you have scraps, it really helps because then you just use it in the size that they're in. So that's it. That is going to complete this layout. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you're enjoying these videos, if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Go check out my coloring channel, Nicole Jones 911 Colors. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.